Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Chime to Eufy. So step 1 is plugging in the Chime. So take your Eufy Chime and plug it into a standard power outlet inside your home. Choose a spot that's central so you can hear it clearly when the doorbell rings. Now, after plugging in the Chime, wait a few seconds for the LED light to turn on. Now, on your smartphone, open the Eufy security app and if you haven't already, sign in with your account. So download and open the Eufy security app. Make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Eufy doorbell uses, since the Chime will pair through it. Now, step 3 is adding the Chime device. So in the app, tap the plus add device button. From the list of devices, select Chime and the app will guide you through the setup, asking you to confirm the Wi-Fi details and get ready to sync with your doorbell. Now, step 4 is pressing the sync button. So on the Chime, press and hold the sync button until you see the LED flashing. At the same time, press the sync button on your Eufy doorbell. The two devices will automatically pair and the app will confirm once the connection is successful. Now, step 5 is testing the connection. So finally press your Eufy doorbell to test. You should hear the Chime ring inside your home. If it doesn't, check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and repeat the sync process. And that's it. Your Eufy Chime is now connected and ready to use with your doorbell. And this step makes sure you'll never miss a ring, even if your phone isn't nearby. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.